TNT gang was popping. Hey, it's your boy Tony B and yeah, and today we're gonna work on the 300,000 mile truck again, y'all. I know I said last time that we were gonna we were going to go ahead and detail this engine bay so we can change out the valve covers, because I don't want all this debris to get inside of it, because you know it's already on its last leg because it got 330-some-thousand miles. We don't want to add any extra debris up in there, so we're not going to take too long with this intro. We're going to dive into it. We're going to do the ChrisFix method, where we're going to use the least amount of water as we can, because we don't want to get any kind of water into these connectors or anywhere in the engine, especially because it's so old. The seals, you know, they may not be as good as a new engine. So yeah, we're gonna do you. We're gonna use the ChrisFix method, y'all. If y'all don't know what it is, the oh my gosh, the ChrisFix method. I'm gonna leave it down in the description, man. He's an awesome automotive YouTuber with how-to videos and stuff like that. Hey, man, if y'all know who ChrisFix is, if y'all watching my video, but hey, we're gonna get into it, y'all. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you everything that I'm going to use. I know he used soapy water, but we're gonna use purple power because we got a lot of buildup and grease in there I want to knock out. This is gonna be towards the end. I know most guys don't like to put anything shiny on there. I might put this on here, I don't know. It's just up in the air right now. I just got it here just in case if you guys want to use it. We got spray on wax. I'm gonna use that for the outer edges of the engine bay so it can look nice and shiny and protected. We got a long brush to get deep.
That's what she said.
Down in those crevices where you can't, you know, usually get it with a smaller brush, which I got the smaller brush right here. Got a plastic bag so we can put it over the engine so we don't put too much water on the engine itself while we're spraying the hood and stuff like that. Got microfiber towels. We got our little hairdresser gloves. We got these tools right here because the first thing we're going to do is take the battery out so we don't have any kind of electrical currents going through the wires as we're putting a little small amount of water on there. We don't want to have that, so we're going to disconnect the battery, pull it out, and detail it outside of the car. And last but not least, we got some shop towels to soak up some of the water that we're going to have in there. You know, that the microfiber may not get, or I might not want to keep using the microfibers. I can use the shop towels, and also something else you can use is a leaf blower or compressed air. I don't know which one I'm gonna pull up. Probably gonna be the leaf blower because all I gotta do is just yank it and pull it, and you know, just blow all the water out. You know, God,
you stupid
man. I'm struggling this video, Taj. I'm struggling, man. But we're gonna have Taj help us out, man. We're gonna do this thing together, father and son. And he got his nunchucks, man. He ready to kick somebody's butt. Who butt you gonna kick? He don't know, y'all. He don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and pull this battery out so we can start detailing the engine bay. Let's go. Who you gonna kick? Who butt you gonna kick?
Auntie.
Oh, you gonna kick your auntie butt. Auntie, I know you seeing it. So you need to kick his butt because he said he's gonna kick yours. All right, let's go ahead and do this engine bay. All right, gang, we got the battery out, as y'all can see.
Yeah.
It's gonna have some debris down here. And ChrisFix, he gave us the idea to use the shop vac, agitate the loose dirt on here first before we put any water on here. Just make it as easy as possible. So when you do put water on it, you don't have to put a lot, and you know, the dirt won't get caked on. Because sometimes when you put water on dirt, sometimes it turn into mud.
Oh, and you're a regular Rhodes Scholar.
Especially with the amount of dirt we have in some spots on the truck. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna agitate the loose dirt and we're gonna suck it up with the shop vac. Let's get that done. Yeah, yeah. as you guys can see, it already looking better. I took the protective plate on here. You know, a lot of the newer cars, they have even more, so you can get down in the nooks and crannies and all that kind of stuff. As you can see, it's a lot of oil buildup everywhere on these valve covers. Everywhere. Like I was trying to show you guys in the last video, it's a lot of oil buildup. That's why I want to go ahead and detail the engine bay so that when I do open it up, it's less of a chance that oil gets down in the engine.
Stupid.
Not oil, dirt gets down into the engine. But first thing first, we're gonna start from top to bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with this, the top part, the hood. We're gonna go ahead and detail this. We're gonna put a trash bag on top of the engine so the least amount of water gets on top of there. And with this part right here, I'm not gonna worry too much about this. I know ChrisFix said that you can use carpet cleaner and dye it or whatever. I'm not trying to get it like a show car. I'm just trying to get it to the point where it runs better, runs cooler, because it's less oil buildup on there. And like I said before, we're changing the valve covers, so we want the least amount of dirt in the engine as we can possibly get. So let's go ahead and do the top of the engine. I mean, man, I can't talk, it's so hot. The hood, let's go ahead and do the hood, y'all. Let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, it's looking a lot better if the sun would get out the way. We have this hanging stuff right here from the fabric. I barely touched it, but I'm gonna just cut that off, make it look all even. And I'm gonna say this, soapy water do just fine. But you know, I want to do, you know,
oh, come on now, dog.
Man, I can't talk. I want to go the extra mile, you know, just to get all that dirt and grime off here. But, you know, you can use soapy water because as you can see in some spots, it did get a little aggressive. But, hey, it's all good. You know, this truck is old. We're going to do some touch-up paint on it anyway. I'm going to go ahead and cut this stuff off, and then we'll move to the next thing that we need to do, which is getting the outside of the engine bay. And as y'all can see, your boy is sweating like crazy. I lost my help, man. I told him he can go inside, man, because it's hot as can be out here, y'all. But I don't blame him, man. Y'all can see how I'm sweating, but we're gonna still get this thing done. Y'all see what I do for y'all, man? You know what I'm saying? That's why y'all need to come and look at all my videos and subscribe, man. Your boy be out here putting in the work. All right, now, come on.
1 hour later.
It got most of the grease from around the engine bay, and now I took the trash bag off of there, and look, 100% dry, 100% dry. And the way we're going to clean the engine itself is actually using soapy water, because I really don't want to put anything just super corrosive like that on there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just use a toothbrush, stuff like that, to try to get in the crevices and cracks. And the more brushes you have, the better off you're going to be to get all that debris from around the engine, because as you can see, it is a lot of different wires and lines going through there, so it's going to take a lot of meticulous work. And I know y'all looking at this like, man, I want to do this all the time, man. But if you go ahead and do a good detail one time, at least once a year, all you got to do is just do maintenance, man, and just wipe it down with a quick detailer, and you should be good. But yeah, we ain't gonna talk too much, man. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can knock out the engine part, the real part that I'm trying to get clean, because I'm trying to do the valve covers like I keep saying. But yeah, we're gonna get some soapy water and we're gonna do our work on here, y'all. What you do is you put a couple squirts of soapy water and then hot water in there. That should be good enough, strong enough, especially Dawn. It's a good degreaser and it's gentle. So, you know, hey, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you, man, ChrisFix make this junk look so easy. Woo, man, we got most of it wiped down. Like I said, all I used was some soapy water. As y'all can see, it's decently clean. I'm not claiming like ChrisFix saying that you can eat off of it, but you know what I'm saying? It's looking a lot better. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and use the other side of the shop vac and blow out most of the water that I sprayed in there, and I try to get most of it out with these. You know, as you can see, you know, I wipe it. You're still gonna have some dirt on it. You know what I'm saying? You're not, like I said, you're not gonna be able to eat off this thing, man. You know, you're just trying to make it last a little longer, man, and not run so hot, you know, because a cooler engine, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna last longer. Yep, definitely gonna last longer. But all right, guys, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can blow off this water with that shop vac, and then hey, we'll go ahead and finish it up by putting a little bit of dressing on there, and then we'll be done, y'all. Well, I gotta put the battery back in because I cleaned those outside, which is a good thing to do, you know, just to have it out. That's a great idea. I usually don't take the battery out, but you know, as you can see, you know, it still needs a little wiping down, but hey, that's gonna help from corrosion, you know, eating through your battery tray and everything, man. I'm just telling you, man, you need to wash your engine bay just like you wash the outside of your car. Maybe not as often, but you really still need to do it. So yeah, go ahead, do it. And I want y'all to go to my IG, follow me on IG, man. It's TNT Garage _116, I believe.
You stupid.
Yeah, but I think I'm the only one. Y'all know my thing, man. Y'all know my signal. Y'all know.
Gosh.
Y'all know my logo, man. So go check it out, man. Go put DM me your engine bay that you clean using ChrisFix method, man, and I'll shout you out on the video and on Instagram, man. Just go. What up, bro? What up? All right, guys, that's all we got for today. Hopefully you guys liked it, man. Hey, and y'all let me know down in the comment section. When you do that detail on your engine bay, don't it seem like the car run a lot better?
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It might just be me, but man, hey, it feel like it run a lot smoother, man. I know the temperatures are going to be lower because the dirt isn't on there all caked up with oil and all that kind of stuff. So it's very important to do so, man. All right, guys, I ain't got nothing else to say, man. I've been running my mouth enough, man. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hit that like button, subscribe, man. Follow me on IG, man. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.